Hi, this is Tim. This is my 2011 Subrosa Salvador Street. I'll start from the front to the back. I have animal plastic bar ends with animal Edwin grips. I have the Odyssey trigger brake lever to stock cable, stock bars, stock forks, stock stem, stock hubs, stock rims, stock tire. I have trick tops, tire caps, Shadow Ravager pedals, plastic, stock cranks with the stock 25 tooth sprocket, KMC chain. I have the stock brakes with fly pads, stock back hub with the stock back rim and stock back tire. I have a King Slim seat clamp with an animal seat post with a Tempered Bikes pivotal seat, and that's my bike.